We're at Cardoza Park. On the east side, and we just tossed out some peanuts for a couple crows that approached us. And we heard the ever familiar sound of a Cooper's hawk, and here it is in one of the trees near their ball field. He's a-looking. He's got lots to choose from.
There went its mate.
Okay, Jay said he just saw its mate. It's that time of the year where their thoughts turn to, okay.
If you heard that, that was the call of the mate. Yep, she went up. Back out a bit. There you are. So this is one of the two Cooper's hawks. The other one is in one of the nearby trees. Huh. If you heard that, that was the call. There you are. Oh, that was convenient. It perched in a place it's better lit. Now its mate has flown a little further south. And up on the hillside, quite a ways north and east of us, got some turkeys. It seems to be a male and a female. He's trying to impress her. Telling her, of course I'll respect you. There we go. One of the scrub jays accepting our...
She met up with us at her daytime hangout. We're heading to her feeding area. We're a little late because, well, we got distracted with a Cooper's hawk. Well, actually a pair. Yep, we know. We're late. But we're here now. Yes, we are here now. That's what matters. Yeah. And even though we have threat of rain, supposedly according to the weather prediction, we got sun just coming up. She goes, yes, that's what I wanted, treats. Treats. She got lots of treats. Okay, we've got some of the horses from Whispering Hills Ranch enjoying the hillside this morning. Look at that beautiful green vegetation. Just a carpet of green here. They are out here on the hillside this morning. And there we go. And the sun has just come up.
Yeah, hopefully I'm picking it up just above the hilltop. Got a kite fluttering, hunting for its meal. They do field mice and voles and the like. Nope, not successful.
White-tailed kite, hillside, east of us, near Whispering Hills Ranch area. Hunting. He went down to the ground. Back up again. Lost him. Where'd he go? Ah, he's heading back off to the brush.
There's a spotted towhee on the dead tree, one of the dead trees over by Calvary Assembly Church. And off it went. It was right over there, and I'm shooting through a fence. But not, I'd say maybe 30 feet. While I'm tracking this bird, very high up the hill off in the distance, I heard a turkey gobbling. Where'd you go, darling? Where'd you go? There. I think this might be the female. Turkey vulture low and close.
Fluffy was waiting for us over at Buddy's. I'm escorting her back to her area. She's taking the fence path. Okay, we're back at Fluffy's area. Yes. Treats are going down. You have a good one. See you tomorrow. We're at Flash's northern site, and we have a blue jay who's working on the mealworms. And then he'll probably take a peanut before he flies off. Yep. She will select.